Hey y'all! For those who are new here, I started this 30-day ab wheel challenge because I have now lost almost 30 pounds and can see that my tummy area could use some firming up. But not only that, doing the ab wheel offers some other benefits. So be sure to watch until the end of the video so you can see my progress pics along with the proper form done to the best of my ability. So this right here is the ab wheel. I got it from Amazon and I will leave the link in the description. I am not an affiliate yet. I haven't figured out that whole thing. So anyway, it's not an affiliate link. This little piece of equipment targets your core muscles. This challenge involves performing ab wheel rollouts every day for 30 days for just 1 minute, and gradually trying to increase the number of reps you can do. Just real quick, put this down. Just real quick, here are some of the benefits from using the ab wheel. Number one, it strengthens your core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and your lower back. Also, it improves your stability. The ab wheel requires the engagement of various muscles, including those in your arms, your shoulders, and your legs to maintain stability during the exercise. While the primary focus is on the core, the ab wheel also engages other muscle groups such as the chest, the shoulders, and your triceps. Additionally, proper form and technique are very important when performing the ab wheel out so that you don't hurt yourself. Remember, this challenge is not just about aesthetics, which means how you look, but also about improving our core strength and overall fitness. So even if you don't see a drastic change in your appearance yet, don't get discouraged. So here's mine. Now, it's important to note that everyone's progress will be different, and that is absolutely okay. The goal is to challenge ourselves and become stronger, not to compare ourselves to each other. So I have noticed a significant improvement in my core strength, and I can go down a little further when I roll it out. So I feel like I'm getting stronger. Also, I've been able to increase the number. I started out only being able to do 13 in 1 minute. So just yesterday, I got to 15. I had done 13 for most of the days and a couple of days with 14. So yesterday I did 15. Let me tell you something though. After that first 2 days, I was so sore. That's the one day I actually could only do 11. On day number 3, I only did 11 reps. But I feel stronger now. So my goal, my ultimate goal is to try to be able to get to 20 reps by the end of that minute. If anyone has been doing this challenge along with me, please drop a comment below so we can help encourage one another, because that always helps. Remember, fitness is a journey, and this challenge is just one step along the way. Whether you achieve your desired results or not during this challenge, what matters most is that you pushed yourself and you made progress. So guess what? If you haven't joined us yet, it's never too late to start. Grab an ab wheel and join the challenge. We'll be starting a new round soon at the end of this one. We'll change it up a little bit though. We'll make it a little different, and we'd love to have you on board. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below sharing your progress. Stay motivated and keep pushing towards your goal. Remember, we can only get to our goals by taking one step at a time. So let's get the step in. See you in the next video.